Merry Christmas! Greetings, Progressbarians, and welcome back to Progressbar95 Updates, the series where I talk about the latest updates of this game, Progressbar95. It's December now, so this screen is Christmas themed, again, for the entire month, so yeah, pretty cool, huh? Anyways, as you read the title, I'm going to be talking about two beta updates that released recently after 4 months of no updates for the game, which are the 1.0820 alpha update released on November 30th, and the 1.0830 beta update released on December 3rd. If you're wondering how to get the latest beta updates, here are 4 steps on how to do it. 1. Make sure you have an Android device. You can only get the beta updates of this game on the Google Play Store, so if you have an Apple device, unfortunately you're going to have to wait for the full release update to come out. 2. Go to a section in the apps page that says join the beta. 3. Tap the join button and wait for a couple minutes. And 4. You're done. That's the step-by-step guide on how to do it. That's it. I'm combining both of these into one video because the 1.0830 update released when I was pretty close to finishing the video. So to start off, I'm going to be talking about the 1.0820 alpha update. Take it away, me. We're going to be reading what's new in the update and the changelog right here. So the first thing that's mentioned is the file copying minigame, in parentheses, only in Progressbar systems. Just use any game mode. It starts as a bonus only for the first time. You need to restart the app to start it again. And bug fixing. So there's only like one important thing that's mentioned in the changelog. Oh, also unrelated to the topic that I'm going to be talking about, there's this section in here that says unlock your next achievement when I already have all of the achievements in the game. So, what next achievement, Google? There are none, for now at least. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into talking about the update. So before I get into the file copying minigame, there is a feature that is not mentioned in the changelog, and I have to go to BarOS for this one because it only happens on BarOS. So, hello, happy to see you. Well, thank you, Ben. I'm happy to see you too.
You've got mail.
You got mail. I always get mail. Anyways, so there's this new, well, in quotes, feature in BarOS. It's not really new, but you'll see. So let's pop up a game mode over here. So yeah, there's this new change where if you shoot a pop-up with a segment, there's this little trail going on here. It shows like a percentage in the title bar. Yeah, there we go. It got covered there for a second. So yeah, you can shoot the pop-ups a couple of times and then it closes just like that. But if you hit a pop-up with the red segment, then it will just go away immediately. Okay, there we go. Boom, just like that. Goes away in an instant. And that's it. This is not really new. It's been here before, but you could only shoot the pop-ups with red segments. So now you can shoot the pop-ups with any segment. So yeah, this is not really new. It's been here before, but back then you could only shoot the pop-ups with red segments only. But now you can shoot the pop-ups with any segment. So yeah, that's the new change in this update. And now we're going to the part that's important to the video, the file copying minigame. So I don't know where you can play the minigames, so I'm just gonna choose Progressbar XP. Okay, so yeah, I think you have to play this minigame on the relaxed, normal, hardcore game modes. Either of those 3. And the changelog says that it starts off as a bonus when you first play it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the minigame if it even shows up. And there it is, a mysterious USB stick. Do you want to open it? Sure, why not? And then this window pops up. I don't know why the cursor is not moving. Do I not have the cursor enabled? I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, this window pops up. Select files to copy to your desktop. And you have 5 different files to copy to your desktop. We have an unknown exe file, a wallpap.wlp file, a cheats.txt file, a pdrd log text file, and a readme text file. I'm going to explain what each of these do later after this. So yeah, you can choose 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, all of them. That's why this button exists. You can just select all, just like that. So yeah, here we go. And then here's the progress bar. You have to collect, from what I saw on the teaser, you need to only collect blue segments and not other segments like the orange segments or the pink segments or the gray segments. Otherwise, and also a thing that I was seeing on the teaser is that files can be corrupted if you collect an orange segment or any other segments that are not blue segments, then that file would be corrupted. So yeah, this is the gameplay. Has this little animation to it at the bottom here, and also there's these little like speed and estimated time left at the bottom. I don't think they mean anything. I think it's just there for decoration. So yeah, here we go. And look at that, completed. Broken files, 0, nada, zilch. And that's it. That's the minigame. Simple as that. So now we're talking about the files and what each of them do. So first, the README file, which says, "Thank you for reading me. It means a lot." You're welcome, README. There's the cheats file, which gives you a random cheat code. You can just feed these to bin if you want. Speaking of which, I need to clean the bin. There we go. And then boom and boom. There we go. Yummy. And the PDRD log text file opens this. Data log, server 59, correct. Data block ABA8. I don't know what any of this means, but it's cool we have it. By the way, PDRD, if you don't know what that is, PDRD stands for Progress Data Refinement Department. And PDRD has a lot of lore in the game. Like, for example, they created the Progressbar systems in this game. They made a couple terminal computers, like the Terminal 9095 or the Terminal 9195. They also created the server firmware for the Progressbar server systems that can also be unlocked in this game, etc., etc. I'm not gonna go through its entire lore, otherwise we'll be here all day. So, yeah, again, I don't know what this means, but again, cool we have it. Hello, Editor Me here. So, as it turns out, the PDRD log text file actually does mean something. As you already know, the file mentions server 95 in the data log, but if you go to the web browser and search the number 59 in the address bar, you'll see that there's a new website that's just called 59. And if you go here, the website says, "Welcome to server 59, PDRD personnel only. Unauthorized access denied from Progress Data Refinement Department." If you tap on this hyperlink, you'll get sent to a list of several data blocks, and your goal is to tap on the correct data block, which is what the data block in a notepad window is about. So for this example, it is A99A. So if you go back to the website again, and then you'll have to find that exact code that was in the notepad, which is in the second last row over here. And then boom, you've done it. Congratulations. Correct data block. Thank you. Data has been sent to the Polar Data Silo. So after playing a level, getting the correct data block will grant you 5,959 bonus points. If you choose the wrong data block, you'll get sent to this website with a null code, and it's pretty much the same thing as this one. And if you go back to the list of data blocks after getting it right or wrong, all the data blocks will disappear with the text in the middle telling us that there's no data. And that's all I wanted to say, so now back to the video. And then Unknown EXE, which will either give you a bonus, an Easter egg I think, or it will give you a blue screen of death. So, let's see which one of these. Okay, it's a bonus. Oh, it's a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. God damn it. Okay, so I guess that one's different. I guess you either get a bonus or you don't. So, and lastly, the more interesting one, wallpap.wlp. I think WLP stands for wallpaper, and it's called that way, wallpap, because of the character limit. It has like 7 characters in the file name, so I think that's why. So yeah, if you tap on the icon, it will give you a bonus wallpaper. There are a couple bonus wallpapers in this game that you can get. So yeah, here we have a Progress Industries wallpaper. And we can just use this wallpaper, and boom, there we go. Also, it's temporary, so you cannot get this wallpaper forever, unfortunately. So, yeah, that's the minigame. I don't know if I can play more of it. Can I play more of it? Okay, well, it just gives me this bonus game mode, so... Oh, God! Okay, well, I guess I'll have to wait until the minigame comes back. Either that, or it will it'll just give me the game mode immediately after this. But who knows? Anyways, cue the montage, if there even is one.
This entire section is just me wasting my time for 4 minutes, completely forgetting about the fact that I can restart the game to retry the minigame again. It took me 4 minutes to realize this, man. What the hell? Am I this stupid? What the fuck?
Oh, I just realized. I just realized I forgot about what the changelog said. I have to restart the app. I have to restart the app to get the game mode again. God damn it. I did all that for nothing. Alright, here we go again. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hey, that's different. A mysterious floppy disk this time. Alright. Do you want to open it? No, just kidding. Wow, what a great prank, me. But yeah, it's a floppy disk now. So, yeah, it's pretty neat, I guess. Okay, look, another cheats text file. I don't need that, though. I'm not a cheater. Why would I cheat? Oh, no. Wait, hold on. I can fix this. Hold on. Give me a big. There we go. There we go. I got a ping segment, and then boom, it's good again. Oh, the file is not broken. And boom, there we go. There we go. 0 broken files. See, it worked. Okay. So yeah, cheats. I don't care. README. This is the same thing. PDRD log. Okay. Well, the data log text is the same. Data block because it's like a different code. C1BA this time. So, all right. Oh hey. Okay. We'll now open an useless program. Okay. Very awesome. Very useless. Okay. Well, I got the same ones. I got the same one. So give me. Okay. Give me something else. Come on, man. Okay. Speed run. Oh my God. It's a CD-ROM. It's a CD disc this time. My God. All right. So we got a USB stick, floppy disk, and a CD disk. Okay, which file's next? I don't know. Okay, this is a README. Okay, let's do a couple orange segments. Do a couple orange segments. See what happens. Okay. Whoa, broken. Oh dear God. Oh no, the README text file is broken. That file's gonna have very useful information. Oh no, what will I do? There, broken file 1. There were too many errors during copying. During? Why did I say during? There were too many errors during copying. So yeah, what if I feed this to the bin? Flavorful. I don't think that would taste flavorful, bin. I don't think that would taste good, bin. I don't know about you, but you do you, I guess. Peter D log. Okay, this time it's 72 FA. Bonus. All right. Yay! Yay! 6,000 points. There we go. And that wallpaper, do something different? Yeah, there we go. It's Progressbar95 this time. With the computer from the boot menu when you first start up the game. Okay, now I'm gonna go through all the bonus wallpapers that I can find. So, cue the montage again, baby. Yeah! Is this available on like Progressbar 12 as well, or something? Or is this available on any Progressbar version? Well, except like preview dot shell to Progressbar Chi-Town. Those wouldn't make any sense. Okay, yeah, it is here. All right, neat. Alright, wallpap. Okay, there we go. Thank God. Alright. Something different. This is the wallpaper that was seen in the latest teaser of this update before the alpha update was out. It's the Progressbar95 logo with the... Well, it's not the Progressbar95 sky. It looks more like the Progressbar XB background. Okay, I'm gonna try to get 2 more. And if I don't, the video over. So, yeah. Anyways, there we go. 3 broken files. Anyways, okay, well, it's the same thing. Oh. The bonus label doesn't show up. It just took me back to a teal wallpaper now. So, yeah. So yeah, I think that's all the bonus wallpapers. I don't know, there are more than that. If there are, editor me can put those screenshots in the screen right now. But so far, I found 3 bonus wallpapers, so, yeah. And that's the 1.0820 alpha update, but of course, I'm not done yet, as you can tell. So, now we're moving on to the 1.0830 beta update. Take it away again, me. Thank you, me. So anyways, as I record this video, there's a new beta update, which is 1.0830, released on December 3rd, which is 3 days after the alpha release. And if we take a look at the what's new section here, there's a collectible wallpapers menu that can be accessed in the wallpaper settings, and you can see in parentheses, some new assets, an updated progress net, or some stuff that is updated in the progress net, and bug fixing. So yeah, let's go take a look at these right now, shall we? So first things first, I want to be talking about, I don't know why I have this wallpaper applied. So first, I'm going to be talking about 2 new websites that are added in this update. One of which is that when you open up the game for the first time and you're a beta tester, then you'll see this page that shows up when you boot up a system, which is a new beta page in the Progressbar website. Basically, this is a changelog of what's new in the update, like how I just described. And there's a step-by-step guide on the bottom that teaches you how to become a beta tester, but I already told you that at the beginning of the video, so I don't need to read it. And the second website is yet another GPU website, which is the 9S website. Oh my god, that's a lot of S's there. Do you see it? Yeah, look at that, the title bar. There's a lot of S's. So yeah, here's yet another GPU website, the 9S graphics website, premium graphics accelerators. So this website is just the exact same as the other GPU websites like 3D Fix, NVD, and AT. Yeah, there's the list of a couple of GPUs that 9S Graphics makes. And there's a Twist chipset label in the bottom right there. So, and there's a buy hardware hyperlink that just redirects you to PBay again, as well as the other GPU websites. So yeah, it's basically the same. So, and of course, like most websites in the ProgressNet, it changes the appearance on how the website looks. So this is the second era, which is the 2000s to the early 2010s. And this is the first era, which is the late 1990s. Here are different text up here. I don't know. Again, where my cursor go? Anyways, the text at the top here now says, not just says speed, speed, speed. And for some reason, the text over here is overlapping with the GPU image on the right. I don't know why, but I'm guessing that's a bug, right? And there's a GPU list, which only contains like 3 GPUs. It's called the non-airy because, you know, 9 as graphics, you know. But anyways, moving on to the second era, which looks like this. Premium graphics and AI accelerators. So yeah, this website and other GPU websites also mention, you know, AI because companies just love shoving AI into our faces for some reason, which we don't want. But yeah, aside from that, it's pretty much the same. You know, we got the GPU list again, like 9S say 2010 and 9S Lightning /64/128/256, and the GPU image right here. And that's it. That's the 9S website. So we have a 4th GPU website. So yeah, now all the GPUs have their own website. So yeah, that's cool, I guess. And now we're moving on to the file copy minigame related stuff. So if you go to the wallpaper settings, like mentioned here, we have collectibles now. So yeah, this is basically just the temporary bonus wallpapers that I mentioned. So yeah, a couple people in the Progressbar95 subreddit suggested that the temporary bonus wallpapers that you get from the file copying minigame should be, you know, not temporary and should be kept as like collectibles. And it looks like ICOI accepted the suggestion. So yeah, instead of, you know, temporary bonus wallpapers, now I just have wallpapers that you can collect. You know, has the name collectibles. So yeah, we can just, you know, collect a wallpaper if we want. Just go here and yeah. Also, yeah, as the changelog said, there are new assets. It didn't specify which. So yeah, it's for the file copying minigame. So yeah, the USB stick looks different. And there's new icons for all the files here. Yeah, they look pretty cool. So, oh yeah, wow. It also got a new animation here. It's like similar to the new task manager thingy. So, yeah, that's cool. Also, by the way, one thing I forgot to mention is that when you collect a segment, the speed and the estimated time left changes. Like, the speed goes up to, like, 10% once you collect, like, a segment. And then it, you know, slowly goes down to all the way to, like, 0 point something %. Pretty cool. So, again, I don't know why... oh, okay, the OK button is overlapping... The OK button is overlapping over the thing. And also black text on a black window. So, yeah. So, yeah, here are the new icons. We got a new over here. You found a collectible wallpaper. You're going to apply it. And we go back to the wallpaper settings. Boom. It's right there. So, yeah. I don't know what else to say. But that's cool. Alright, so let's see what it looks like on like Progressbar95. Well, totally different from Progressbar 12 and all that, but oh, never mind, I don't have to restart the game. Okay, never mind. I thought I had to. Yeah, see, there we go, new icons and such. Except for the wallpaper icon, it's just the display properties icon taken from the settings. So, and look at this animation. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So yeah, we got another collectible wallpaper. It's the Progressbar95 one, and we can just okay, but it's a Progressbar 10 wallpaper. I'm guessing that's just a placeholder. So also apparently there's 10 collectible wallpapers, and I found like what 6. So yeah, that's a lot more than I thought it would be. So yeah, cool. I want to see if the 59 website change anything. So okay, let me see data block D584, I think. All right, D584. Okay, well, the only change that it has is just it has square brackets now. So, anyways, D's nuts. D something 4. D594. Okay, I immediately forgot. I immediately forgot because of that D's nuts joke that I made. Okay, there we go. Boom, I found it. Cool. Alright, by the way, PDRD forum, of course. So yeah, there's a new forum topic that's been added to the PDRD forum website, which is about Server 59, which I mean, I expected it to happen, so. By the way, if you don't know what the PDRD theory forum website is about, it says here, it's unofficial forum about PDRD and its secrets. So yeah, this is where people discuss about, you know, PDRD and its secrets. So yeah, we got a lot of PDRD lore stuff like Barney, Zone 59, they're watching us, wires, printers, numbers, version 0.2, Progressbar 12, etc, etc, etc. I already read all of these in previous videos. I'm not gonna reread them again for this video. I'm only gonna read the Server 59 forum post. So yeah, let's go take a look at the Server 59 forum topic. Server 59. Curious user says, I've heard a lot of urban legends about the Server 59. Is it a real thing? Tinfoil Hat, okay, here we go. And then Tinfoil Hat user 95 comes in and replies with, don't say that name! This is dangerous! Curious user replies back with, why? Tinfoil Hat user 95 replies with, it's better for you not to know! Funny user replies to Tinfoil Hat user 95 and says, you should use more exclamation marks, lol. Hardware guy replies to Curious user's original message and says, that is a real thing. The Server 59 is a real thing. Just check the progress net. It is a kind of router used by PDRD to send some data to their data silo. Tinfoil Hat user 95 says, what kind of data? Do you know that? Our data! They're collecting something! Funny user replies to Tinfoil Hat user and says, what exactly are they collecting? Stamps? Coins? Toy cars? Baseball cards? Tinfoil Hat user replies back with, silly clown! Funny user replies back with, they're collecting silly clowns? Wow! And then science user comes in and says, the server collects data blocks. It sends to the data silo only the correct ones. Few people know what this means. And then stupid AI bot comes in and says,
do you have any correct data blocks to upload?
Funny user replies to stupid AI bot and says, go away! Stupid AI bot replies with,
I'm going away. Have a good day. Bye.
Funny user says, stupid bot. Stupid AI bot says,
I'm here, you called me. How can I help?
Then Tinfoil Hat user 95 replies to stupid AI bot and says, go away! And then finally, stupid AI bot replies with,
I'm going away. Have a good day. Bye.
And that's the Server 59 forum topic. If you don't know who stupid AI bot is, they came from, which post? I'm guessing it's the AI one? Yeah, it's this one. Tinfoil Hat 25 is, well, they're self-explanatory. They theorize over literally everything. They're insane. And yeah, I give them a voice like this, and it's fun. And yeah, that's the Server 59 forum topic. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through every single like asset change for the file copying minigame. So I'm only gonna go for Progressbar95 and Progressbar 12, to show you examples. I'm not gonna go through every single system to show you the new assets that the minigame has. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here after I get this bonus. Okay, never mind, I didn't get a bonus. God damn it. So yeah, that's the end of this video. So yeah, that's the That's the 1.0820 and the 1.0830 update. That's right, 2 updates in one video. Insane. So yeah, to recap, we got the BarOS bite shooting feature, or, well, quote-unquote feature. It's not really new. It's been here before, but it's different now, so. And of course, we got the file copy minigame, which I think is very cool. I mean, it's simple, but like it's very awesome looking. Like I don't know what else to say. We got 2 new websites, or 3 if you count the new PDRD forum topic. So yeah, we're getting more lore for PDRD and all that, which is cool. And lastly, the collectible wallpapers, which are just the temporary bonus wallpapers from the last alpha update. But, you know, they're collectibles now, so I think they're very cool looking. My favorite one so far has to be the 4 pink stripes with the Terminal 9195 computer. I just really like how the stripes look. I just think they're cool. What can I say? So yeah, there's no BarOS 26 or BarOS 2026 or whatever you call it in these 2 updates. We'll get it later. We don't know when though, but in the future, definitely. So yeah, that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching and listening and doing all that stuff. And now I gotta go do other things. Farewell.